Hello guys, welcome back. Here's how you can have fun with Metaball, a tool in Cinema 4D, which is a 3D modeling program where Metaball will turn these spheres into liquid blobs that will make this liquid motion as well as it's making this wavy kind of motion. Let's create one. All we have to do now is to create a sphere. Hold the left click button here and then head over to sphere, increase the segments, and then click on cloner to increase the number of spheres, drag the sphere into the cloner, change the count to 6 and 6 for this. Increase the size of the the gaps for the x-axis and the z-axis. Afterwards, hold the left click button and then if you see the subdivision surface icon just like this, head over to Metaball and then drag the cloner object into Metaball. Ooh, fancy, but it looks too thick, so we have to increase the hull value so that it will turn these spheres into blobs just like this. You can even decrease the number of subdivision viewports so that it's smoother. Adjust the level just like this. Let's say if we make a base, for example, by using a cube, click on the cube object and then afterwards increase the size of the size X and size Z so that it looks like this pretty much. And then drag it downwards so that it acts as the base for these liquid blobs. And then drag the cube into cloner. See? Disappears. So all we have to do now is to right click on the cube object, modeling tags, and then metaball just like this, and then change the mode into, let's say, line, so that the lines that construct the cube will be turned into a volumetric kind of geometry, and then it will be welded with the liquid blobs, or triangle, so that it's entirely cube just like this. And then afterwards click on the cloner. We're going to add an effector so that the liquid blobs will move. Head over to MoGraph, click on that effector, and then click on formula. Ooh, too thick. When we play it, the motion looks smooth, but the blobs are too thick. So click on formula, decrease the strength so that it's not so strong, just like this. Ooh, fancy. Now each liquid blob will increase itself and then it will form this liquid kind of motion as well. That's how you can have fun with Metaball, a tool in Cinema 4D where you can create this liquid motion. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!